Are you seeing the error "this app can't run on your PC" in Windows 10 or 11? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and in today's 2025 updated guide, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to fix it so you can get your apps running smoothly again. First is go to your search bar and search system information. In here you can your system type if it is x64 or x86. Mine is x64. Now go back to the Chrome and copy the app that you cannot run. In the search bar, paste the app and put download by 64-bit. Click the first you will see and click download. Now here you can choose what kind of bit your computer has select on it. And that's it. You now know how to fix the "this app can't run on your PC" error in Windows 10 and 11, updated for 2025. If this helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.